What's happening, everybody, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about a software what I actually use myself. I promote this myself, and a lot of people actually ask me how they should promote this, because it is such a good product, and when you're actually promoting this, you're actually selling something worth selling to people that is going to help people online with the businesses. So what we're talking about today is a product called Groovepages, Groovefunnels, and this is a software by a guy called Mike Filsame. If you don't know who Mike Filsame is, he's probably one of the best online marketers out there. He's generated millions and millions of dollars. If you've ever heard of a software called Webinar Jam or Kartra, he's created them himself before, and now he's created Groovefunnels. And this software is a digital marketing software. It's really good, and it's got tons of different apps on here, like there's a Groove Member, a membership site where you can create sites with memberships. It's got Groove Webinar where you can do host your own webinars. Groovepages where you can do your own funnels, create your own websites. There's Groove Blog where you can create your own blog. There's Groove Sell, Groove Affiliate, where you can sell your own digital products, have affiliates to promote them for you. It's absolutely amazing, really. And there's 3 different tiers. There's $99 a month, $199 and $299 a month. Or, because it's in beta test, there's actually a lifetime account, which is what I'm going to be showing you how to get a sale on. And if you've actually got Groove yourself and you're paying to have Groove yourself, you actually get 40% commission, tier 1. And on tier 2 commission, you get 10%. But there's actually a free account out here for what I'm going to show everybody today, for those that can't afford to get the lifetime deal. And you actually get Groove Sell, Groove Affiliate, and Groovepages, which is good enough for you to make money with, because you can create your own funnels, you can sell your own digital products, and you can have affiliates sell for you too. So first of all, just as you can see, we're on the page here. Just click sign up. Just sign up to your account. Once you've signed up, confirm your email, come back, and then you will come to a dashboard like this. And you just click Groove Partner Program. Once you've clicked it, you'll get all your impressions of your affiliates that have clicked and everything. And these are your affiliate tools. You've got your links, you've got your email swipes, blog reviews, articles, banners, thank you pages. These are for your Facebook ads, social media posts, Facebook ads, signatures for your email, and video reviews. So what you would click on links, copy a link, and then what I do, I'll show you now if I can get back to Instagram. So if you imagine, you try and think what kind of people would benefit from using Groove. Now, you think about coaches out there, nutrition coaches, photography coaches, things like that. And if you ever search on Instagram and you look for coaching, let's have a look let's go nutrition coaches. And you'll find that when you search through these, if you look at the bio, you'll get a lot of Linktree straight away. Linktree. Now, this is good. Yeah, it'll take you to a Linktree account, but there's no funnel, no nothing. So what I do is I'll I'm on the Instagram normal app. You don't have to follow to message, but you just click on message, and all I did was I sent them a message and I put, hi, I was checking your profile out and I noticed you're using a Linktree link, and I wondered if you want to collect more leads using a sales funnel like below. I mean, I can get this set up for you for free if you want to see if this works. Either way you win, because you are collecting emails to market to them after. And then my name, and then I've sent them a screenshot of what a funnel looks like. And all you do, I mean, you might only get one reply out of 10, one reply out of 20. But you only need like one sale a day would give you a profit of $300 a day. And that's with the free account. So that's how I do it anyway. And I can't think of anything else to say. I think that's everything for today. That's how I do it. I will be uploading more videos with different strategies, but apart from that, if you want to sign up to Groove, I'll leave the link in the description, and please subscribe and like, and I'll see you again tomorrow.